Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, Educate and Embellish Your Life. Let's learn the today's word. The today's word is meagre. 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 Yes, meagre means very small amount of something. Yes, very small amount. Yes, very small amount of something. Yes, small amount of something. Yes. Poor in quality. Poor in quality. That's a mean. Very poor in quality or poor in quantity also. Yes, small amount of something. Very small amount of something. Poor in quality or insufficient. Yes, insufficient. And yes, very small amount of something or poor in quality also you can say. Yes? Poor in quality or insufficient, not sufficient, is not enough. So other words, scanty, insufficient, not enough. So that's the meaning. That is the meaning of this word adjective. See, adjective describes an adjective describes a noun, so we have to use it before a noun. Usage of this word is very important. Yes? Meaning as well as usage, and you apply. Where you apply this particular word? Where can you apply this word? So you can apply this word with meagre salary, not enough salary, meagre, very little salary. Yes, meagre salary, meagre income. Yes, meagre information, very little information. Yes, meagre, it can be applied. Yes, usage, meagre salary, meagre income, meagre information, meagre food. Yes, meagre food, meagre support. Yes, meagre information, meagre data. So each sentences, yes, sentence. It's very important. Right? He gets meagre support. He gets meagre support. He gets meagre support means very little support. Meagre support. Yes, from his children. He gets meagre support. He gets meagre support from his children. It means a little support from his children. Yes, his children don't support him very much. He was able to collect only meagre information. Yes, only a little information regarding COVID-19, whatever it is. He was able to collect only meagre information. Meagre information means very little information. There are millions of people. Yes, millions of people. There are millions of people who live on meagre meals. Yes, very little amount of meals. Meagre meals. Yes, so there are millions of people in India who live on meagre food. very, eating very little amount of food every day. They lead their life. So friends, make it a point to learn a new word every day in order to embellish your language. Thank you for watching.